Making a memorable entrance. Mastering the art of arrival. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or during conversations. The phrase is, to make an entrance. Understanding this expression will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you appreciate the nuances of social interactions. Let's get started and explore what it means to truly make an entrance. To make an entrance refers to the act of entering a room or a place in a noticeable and memorable way. This doesn't just mean showing up. It's about entering with style, confidence, or flair that makes people pay attention. It's often used when someone arrives in a way that is dramatic, impressive, or commands attention. While the exact origin of the phrase is difficult to pinpoint, it's deeply rooted in the theatrical world where making a strong entrance can set the tone for a character's presence in a play or movie. Over time, the phrase has migrated into everyday language to describe any situation where someone wants to be noticed upon arriving. In everyday usage, to make an entrance can be applied in various contexts. At a party, where someone dresses in a particularly striking way. In business meetings, where a confident demeanor can make a strong impression. Online, where a well-crafted post or message captures everyone's attention. 1. At a gala. Imagine someone arriving at a gala wearing a stunning outfit, immediately drawing the eyes of all attendees. That person has just made an entrance. 2. In a presentation. When a speaker starts a presentation with a powerful statement or a captivating story, they are making an entrance into the audience's minds. 3. Social media. Posting an eye-catching photo or a thought-provoking status that quickly garners likes and comments is a form of making an entrance in the digital world. 1. Confidence is key. Believe in yourself and your ability to attract attention positively. 2. Be mindful of the context. What works at a formal event may not suit a casual gathering. 3. Prepare. Sometimes, making an entrance requires planning, like choosing the right outfit or preparing an impactful opening sentence. Making an entrance is all about creating memorable moments and leaving a lasting impression. Whether you're stepping into a room or making your mark online, remember that the essence of making an entrance lies in authenticity and confidence. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating phrase and inspired you to make your entrances unforgettable. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you make your own spectacular entrances in the English-speaking world.